In the previous video, we already configured static routing into router. Next, in this video, we are going to add one more router. Let's just start. Import new router. And also import one new PC. Connect the PC to the router. And we also need to connecting router 2 with new router. But let's change the router name first. Let's say this is router 3. The problem is, this router is only have 2 interface. Let's check it. Do show IP interface brief. Here we can see that we only have fast Ethernet 0/0 and fast Ethernet 0/1. So, we cannot connecting router 2 to router 3. Let's try it. Here we get an error. The cable cannot be connected to that port. So, we need to add additional interface in router 2. But before that, let's save the configuration first. Then go to physical. Let's shut down the router. Now, let's add new interface. We will use an M1FETX. Okay, let's turn on the router again. Let's try to connecting router 2 to router 3 again. Okay, here we can see that we can connecting router 2 to router 3. The interface is fast Ethernet 1/0. Next, for IP addressing, in the router 2, the IP address will be 10.20.20.1/24. Router 3 will be 10.20.20.2/24. And then router 3 that connected to PC3, the IP address will be 192.168.3.1/24, and in the PC, the IP address will be 192.168.3.10/24. Okay, now let's start the configuration. Let's start from router 2. Enable, configure terminal, interface fast Ethernet 1/0, no shutdown, and the IP address is 10.20.20.1 255.255.255.0. Okay, we have done in router 2. Next, let's configure router 3. No, enable, configure terminal, interface fast Ethernet 0/1, no shutdown, the IP address is 10.20.20.2. So here, 10.20.20.2 255.255.255.0. Next, let's configure fast Ethernet 0/0. The IP address is 192.168.3.1 255.255.255.0. Here we can see that the light is red, so we need to no shutdown. Let's check it first. Do show IP interface brief. Okay, here I do a mistake. Let's configure the IP address of fast Ethernet 0/1 again. IP address 10.20.20.2 255.255.255.0. And then go to interface fast Ethernet 0/0, no shutdown. Here we can see that now the light is green. And then the IP address is 192.168.3.1 255.255.255.0. Okay, now we have done in router 3. Last, let's configure the IP address of PC3. Desktop, IP configuration. The IP address is 192.168.3.10. The gateway is 192.168.3.1. Okay, now we have done configuring an IP address in all router and PC. Now, let's analyze the routing. In the previous video, we already add static routing in router 1. Let's write it. As this is main static, the destination is 192.168.2.0/24, and the next hop is 10.10.10.2. In the router 2, we also already add static routing. Let's write it. The destination is 192.168.1.0/24, and the next hop is 10.10.10.1. Last, for router 3, we don't configure static routing yet. So, router 3 should have only 2 networks in the routing table, which is 10.20.20.0/24 and 192.168.3.0/24, because this 2 network is connected to router 3. Let's write it. 10.20.20.0/24 is in fast Ethernet 0/1, and 192.168.3.0/24 is in fast Ethernet 0/0. Oh yeah, one more thing. In router 2, must be have new entry in the routing table, which is 10.20.20.0/24, because this is connected to router 2, and this network is connected to fast Ethernet 1/0. Okay, I think enough for this video. In the next video, we are going to configure static routing so PC3 can communicate with PC1 and PC2. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.